Do you want to learn anatomy but your anatomy look like this, robotic and very stiff? So how to fix it? First, you need to learn basic anatomy. Let's start it with first exercise. You have to practice these three exercises on daily basis. First, lines in 3D shapes and gesture drawing. First exercise is lines. Lines like horizontal, vertical and diagonal line, curved line like C shape, S shape and wave lines, which you have to practice. Second exercise 3D shapes like circle, square, rectangle and cylinder. These four shapes are very common and very important for learning anatomy. Now let's start it with the second part. Understand the basic anatomy. First of all, let's start it with the head. So to draw the head, first of all draw a circle. Now draw a horizontal line and vertical line. Now we will draw another line parallel to the horizontal line. Remember, the first horizontal line for the eyes and the second horizontal line is for the nose and the ears will become in between these two. We will draw a rectangle shape for the chin and mouth. Learn to draw the torso. The torso is divided into three parts: chest, mid and crotch. To draw the chest, first of all we will draw a curved line which shows the shoulders. Now we will draw vertical lines on both sides, and now we will draw a rectangle shape below it. For the mid and crotch we will draw a cylinder shape. To draw the arms we will draw a cylinder shape. First of all we will draw a cylinder shape for the upper arm, and after that we will draw another cylinder shape for the lower arm, but its last part we will smaller. We will draw the same shape for the legs also with the same method like this. So now talk about the third and last part, mistakes that beginners make. The first mistake that most beginners makes is not using reference. If you have just started learning anatomy, then use references. This will help you learn anatomy quickly. The second mistake most important beginners is trying to do everything at once, like anatomy, perspective, color theory and many other things at once, due to which they get nothing in the end and they get disappointment. And now the biggest mistake that they make is keep watching tutorials but do not implement them. They do not practice what they have learned. I hope this video very useful for you.